Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you a 2019 Harris 230 cruiser. This particular cruiser is lined up with the SL layout. So here in the back we do have this nice backrest that does go backward and forward, and you can sit back here when the boat is moving. So that's kind of nice. Storage all up underneath here. Plenty of space for all your stuff. And then we come into the boat. Storage all over the place. Lift up in here, you got a trash can. And then down in here we do have some storage as well. So you just pull that out. Nice deep storage area. Come down in here, we do have the Fusion stereo system, Bluetooth. There's USB and auxiliary ports as well. And then as you come into the front, again, lots of places to sit, lots of storage underneath. Actually, these are really nice to have. Good place to put your phone right in here. A couple cup holders on both sides. So yeah, we got a bunch of pontoons. This one's here, right here in Rogers location. Come on down and take a look.